Hey, it's Gina from WTI. Have you ever been told that you're extremely picky when it comes to what kind of sheets you want to sleep in? Well, my husband tells me that all the time, but I don't feel bad about it because I have the most amazing sheets from California Design Den. Of course, the most important thing when it comes to sheets is how they feel on your skin. These are crisp but soft and 100% cotton, which is absolutely super important to me. The sateen weave is just beautiful and it feels so good. I got the color taupe, which I think is a really nice alternative if you want a neutral color but are looking for something besides white, and it goes really well in our bedroom. We have a 12-inch mattress and an adjustable bed frame, so I'm always on the lookout for sheets that can accommodate me moving the feet and head of the bed up and down without the elastic popping off so that I have to reset the sheets all the time. These sheets are amazing. They stay in place so well. In fact, we haven't had to use suspenders underneath the bed to keep the sheets in place like we do with other brands. These 600 thread count sheets are such good quality. I've been washing them and drying them in my dryer and they come out looking brand new. I also love to hang my sheets on their clothesline in the summertime and there's been no fading of the color at all. I have to warn you, if you get these sheets, you may never want to get out of bed. I just absolutely love them and that's my point of view.